So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a fall makeup tutorial. I'm going just for like an overall brown look. Hopefully my mic works. I am using my mic. This is my second time using it. If it doesn't work, this video is gonna have to be a voiceover. I'm sorry, but I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm gonna have to see what's up. So I'm gonna start. My face is already cleansed. I've washed my face with the CeraVe hydrating cream cleanser. I'm gonna go with that. And I moisturize with arganol that I got from Trader Joe's. So next I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is supposed to be like a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Base Primer, I believe. Looks like this. Little pinky color. I'm excited. I don't really use primers like that, so see, I'm just gonna take like my little spatula, scoop out. I think like that much should be good, right? Oh, huh. I was expecting it to feel like silicone. Maybe I'm tripping. I feel like it smells like Nair. Hey. It doesn't really look like it did anything. I'm just gonna go with it. Today I want to underpaint. I love underpainting. It's something that I just do when I'm feeling like, you know, a little bit fancier. And I'm just feeling like I just want to take those extra steps. It's not necessary, but you know, it could be fun from time to time. So I am gonna underpaint today. I am going to be putting my strobe cream on my face. I'm going to take like that much. For the underpainting, I'm going to take my tray and my two colors that I'm going to be using to underpaint. I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal for my highlighted areas. I'm taking the yellow corrector, and then for my contoured areas, I'm taking mahogany. I like to go extra light and extra dark when I'm underpainting, so because I'm gonna be putting foundation. It fell. Okay, I'm gonna be putting foundation on top of this, so I like to make sure that it's still coming through. You know, I don't want anything too close to my skin tone, and then I go to put foundation on, and I'm just flat. So I'm literally just gonna be squeezing them onto the spatula. Onto my tray, like so. Just so I can like have the product there for me to dip into with my brushes. And then let's start underpainting, shall we? This tutorial is gonna be longer than I expected. Okay, so these are the two colors here on the pan, and now I'm gonna take the lighter color on a concealer brush and just go in. I am not using a super thick layer. So I go from the arches of my eyebrows is where I like stop the highlight. That's where it like ends for me. So you could do like a little shoot, a little rainbow shoot. Okay. So for my contour, I normally use this for my highlight, but when I'm underpainting, I like to use this for my contour shade. So I'm going to take a little bit. Okay, so it was around this time where my mic actually did cut out on me like I expected it would. So here I am. So I'm taking this synthetic angle brush that I got from BH Cosmetics to blend out my underpaint, but it was looking kind of dry, so I decided to use my damp beauty blender instead. And I'm just gonna like blend out the harsh lines, not really trying to get rid of the like intense color, but just the lines. Because you kind of want the color there so it can still like show through the foundation, you know. So then I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in 330 and my e.l.f. Oil-free foundation in the shade Caramel, and I'm using that on a damp beauty blender to go over my underpaint. And as you can see, my highlighted areas are staying highlighted. My contour areas are still looking like, you know, contoured in like the darker areas. And that's what I love about underpaint, like everything just blends seamlessly. So then I'm going in with my MAC mineralized skin finish in dark golden to set my whole entire face. Then with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm taking my wet beauty blender to blend out any creases, and then my dry one to bake. I did do my eyebrows off camera so it could just be faster. And now I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow. Y'all, this is like the easiest eyeshadow to do for fall. So first I'm taking this black eyeliner pencil from NYX, and I'm just roughly applying that to my lash line. Then I'm going to go in with this brown shade from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette on a pencil brush, and I'm going to use that to like smoke out and blend out that eyeliner that I just applied. And I am going to like take this up on the lid as well. Next, I'm using this brown shade from the palette and going in with my MAC 224 brush to blend out my lid and also get that into my crease. This is the final color that I put on my lid, y'all. That's how easy this eyeshadow look is. I then went in with some glitter. I got this palette from Target, and I'm going to take this more cool tone gold shade. I'm first going to apply it with my finger and then use my MAC 239 brush to just pack on some more of the glitter. And I kind of went a little bit past my crease just so when my eyes are open, like you can still see the glitter, because I do have hooded eyes. And then I'm going to take that pencil brush and use the rest of the product to go onto my bottom lash line. I almost forgot what to say for a second. And yes, I did pick up some more of the brown shades. I just kind of mixed them all together and went under my eye with the pencil brush. And on a 217 brush, I took that lighter tone brown shade to kind of blend it out, but it wasn't working how I wanted it to, so I had to switch. I took another shader brush with the mixture of the brown shades and went under my eyes some more, just to give me like a more blown out look, because everything was looking like real tight, you know. And then I'm taking the same black eyeliner, going closer to my lash line so I could just have like a little bit more depth on the eyes. And I did apply my lashes off camera. These are the Kiss Gala lashes, y'all. These are so bomb, and for the price, yes. So then I'm taking my CoverGirl Advanced Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Toasted Almond to darken up my contour areas and to also contour my nose so I could be looking snatch. And in my inner corner, I'm going to take that highlighter shade on like a little detailer brush and just go in to highlight. And once again, for my highlight on my face, I'm sorry y'all, but I am using the Becca and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. Y'all, I just can't get over this highlighter. It has nothing to do with anything else. I just love the way that this highlighter looks the most at the moment. So then I'm taking my Juvia's Place blush palette in the shade, I believe, Sheena, and I went a little crazy, but I did go in with my face brush and my my MAC pressed powder to like buff out the blush a little bit. So then I took my NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Medium to line my waterline. And for my lips, y'all, I'm taking the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner. That's a long name. In the shade Urban Cafe. And for my lipstick color, I'm using my Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar. And that is the final look, y'all. It was super easy, super effortless, really. You can underpaint if you want or not, you know, it's up to you. But hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.